Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're in Mooresville, North Carolina at a show to benefit, who are we benefiting from?
We're raising funds here for the Dove House.
Dove House. It's a show by
Showtime Magazine.
Showtime Magazine. It's called Hot Rods and Family Fun. Here in Mooresville, we're in the Hobby Lobby parking lot. See back there. Really cool cars. We're going to show you some of them like we normally do. Say hi to Aiden. I don't think he said hello today. But guys, you know, do your thing. If you like this kind of content, you like cars, you can't get out to a car show, this is a good place to watch it.
Or if you don't. If you don't like the cars, like the video. Let us know.
That's true. Do whatever you need to do to be a good human being. Anyway, yeah, check out the video. All right, guys, it's a wrap here from Mooresville, North Carolina. We're at the Showtime car show that benefits the Dove House. Guys, we're going to have content like this all summer, so keep an eye out for that. Hey, what should I do?
If you like this kind of content and want to see more, subscribe. If you like the video, then, like the video. And comment if you want to say anything about anything here.
Yeah, so guys, it really makes a difference if you smash that subscribe button and hit that thumbs up if you like it. All right, even if you don't like it, hit the thumbs down button. Either way, leave a comment, do what you got to do. We will see you on the next one. Oh, what else did you do that for?
Something that people do, I don't know.
What are you talking about, man?
What, YouTube is like a transition.
Transition? You just hit my camera, man.
What?
What the hell?